Hello everyone, this is Anita Mendirata. In this video, we'll see how to sort the arrays based on multiple columns. This is my data and we can see here that the columns are region, first name, last name of the salesman and the region where sales are conducted and the sales in April, May, June and different months till December and the total column wherein I applied some formula to aggregate the sales from April to December. Now I want to sort this data. So for this I need to select this table by pressing Ctrl A and then going to Data tab, Sort function. Here the dialog box appears and I need to add different levels because I need to sort it for different columns, multiple columns. So first level of sorting I want to do region wise because I want to see in which region my highest sales were conducted, and B to Z of course, and then I need to sort it sales wise, then with which region my sales are highest, so sorting from largest to smallest, and then I want to see which salesman is engaged for my highest sales in that particular region. And I should ensure that this is ticked, that my list has headers, so that the Excel should know that the first row is of headers, and then click OK. My data is sorted now. First 4 entry is for central region. So these are the sales in central region and the highest sales is of around 45 lakhs by Sujia Khan in the central region. And the lowest sales is around 35 lakhs by Sukanya Mittal for central region. And then going to East region, the highest sale is of 44 lakhs by Dushyant Kohli. And the lowest is of 26 lakhs, around 27 lakhs by Abhinav Kumar. Similarly, if I go to North, we have these 4 entries from 40 lakhs to 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs by Dushyant Bhatia and 30 lakhs by Abhi Kohli, and so on and so forth. So here we have sorted our data based on multiple columns so that it makes sense to us. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.